Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Merging data frames is a common operation in data analysis, particularly when working with the Pandas library in Python. The merge function in Pandas allows you to combine two data frames based on one or more keys. The left merge and right merge are specific types of joins that dictate how the data frames are combined. Left merge and right merge in Pandas. 1. Left merge. This type of merge returns all rows from the left data frame and the matched rows from the right data frame. If there are no matches, NaN values are filled in for columns of the right data frame. 2. Right merge. This type of merge returns all rows from the right data frame and the matched rows from the left data frame. If there are no matches, NaN values are filled in for columns of the left data frame. Basic syntax. The basic syntax for merging data frames in Pandas is as follows. Left, the left data frame. Right, the right data frame. How, type of merge to be performed. Use left for left merge and right for right merge. On, column, S, to join on. If not specified, the intersection of the column names in both data frames will be used. Code example. Let's look at an example to illustrate how to perform left and right merges using Pandas. Output explanation. 1. Left merge result. All rows from the left data frame, df_left, are retained. Rows in the right data frame, df_right, that match ID will have their age filled in. If there's no match, as with ID 1 and 2, the age will be NaN. 2. Right merge result. All rows from the right data frame, df_right, are retained. Rows in the left data frame, df_left, that match ID will have their name filled in. If there's no match, as with ID 5, the name will be NaN. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we demonstrated how to perform left and right merges using Pandas in Python. This is a powerful way to combine data from different sources based on key relationships. You can extend this further by specifying multiple keys, handling suffixes for overlapping column names, and much more.